Welcome to Broome Library's JSTOR Database tutorial, which now includes the Artstor image database. JSTOR is an interdisciplinary humanities database that provides access to articles, books, images, and primary sources from both peer-reviewed and scholarly publications. It's a valuable resource for acquiring diverse materials in one spot when researching subjects like history, the social sciences, and anthropology. However, be aware that there is a date embargo within JSTOR, meaning that articles written within the last 3 to 5 years won't be available. So if you're researching a very recent topic, please contact a librarian to help you design a search strategy in this database. To get to JSTOR from the library homepage, click on the Database A to Z link on the left side of the screen. Due to JSTOR's popularity, it can be found quickly under our list of recommended databases. Click on the JSTOR link to access JSTOR's database homepage. As you can see, we can search all content or just images. Let's go ahead and search the default all content option. We will discuss the image search option later on in the video. An all content search will search journals, books, images, and primary sources. When choosing your search terms, it's important to remember that JSTOR is not like Google. Instead of typing in a question, you must break your search down into keywords, ideas, and or individual names. For example, if your research question is, how did Lee Miller's World War II photograph set her apart from her male counterparts? Instead of searching for that complete sentence, break it down into pieces. Possible search terms include Lee Miller, photographer, gender, and World War II. If one of your terms is an established phrase like World War II or a person's full name like Lee Miller, you can put it in quotation marks. This is called phrase searching, which allows the database to search for the terms together instead of each individual term. Sometimes phrase searching can limit your results too much, so it's a good idea to try searching with and without quotations. Let's type in Lee Miller in quotations since we want our search to target items concerning Lee Miller herself and not just the words Lee and Miller. We can also include the term photographer, so our search includes items that focus on her occupation. Click on the magnifying glass search icon to initiate a search. This takes you to the search results page. The total number of items found will be at the top of the page. If images were found with your search terms, they will be located above your text results. On the left sidebar are options to filter and limit your search to more relevant results. Helpful filters include the Search Within Results filter, the Date filter, and the Subject filter. Let's try the Search Within Results filter and add the search terms World War II and gender. As you can see, your search results are significantly reduced. You might also find it helpful to filter by publication date or subject area. However, be careful with the Search Within Results filter, because once you use it, it resets all other filters you have applied. In the center of the page is your results list. To the right of each item, you can choose to download, save, or cite. To save an item, you must set up a free JSTOR Workspace account. To set one up, click the Register button, and a pop-up window will appear. Use your CSU CI email to create an account. Now let's click on an item to learn more about it. Click on Beholding the Feminine Sublime. Your publication information is at the top of the screen. To explore your item, use the menu bar above your item to either search within the document or select the double arrow icon to enter reading mode. Some useful sidebar features include the Search Matches feature, which allows you to locate your search terms in the document, and the Related Text feature, which suggests similar sources. If you want to check if an item you found is peer-reviewed, look it up in the OneSearch database by title and note the peer-reviewed icon. If you want to save this resource, do not copy the URL in the browser bar, bookmark the page, or leave the tab open, because these links will expire. To find this item in the future, copy the stable URL located under the publication information. This is a URL link that won't expire. You can also copy the remote access URL located under the Abstract and Details drop-down menu on the left sidebar. Additionally, your citation style might require a DOI number. If one is available, it can be found under the publication information. You should also review the options above the item. Cite creates a computer-generated citation. Share allows you to email yourself the item. The ribbon icon saves the item to your JSTOR workspace. You can also download a PDF of the item. Did you know that JSTOR also includes primary source documents too? Let's do a quick all-content search on the Tlatelolco massacre, which occurred in Mexico City in 1968. Under the Refine Results menu, look for Primary Source Content and select Documents. The second example, Mexico 1968, is a pamphlet created by the North American Congress on Latin America in 1968. And if you explore it, you'll find photographs, eyewitness accounts, interviews, and official reports on the massacre. This is a great example of some of the primary sources available within JSTOR. Now, let's explore an image search. Click on the JSTOR logo in the upper left corner to return to the home page. This time, we will click on the Advanced Search tab to the right of the search bar to explore the Advanced Search option in JSTOR. Let's search for images by the Mexican painter Frida Kahlo. When we type in Frida Kahlo, we will not include quotation marks, because artwork attributed to her may be listed as Kahlo, Frida. To further narrow our search, we can select a field using the drop-down menu on the right. Let's select Creator to limit your search to only artwork created by Frida Kahlo. You can also explore the Narrow Results section to further filter your search, but these options are also available on the search results page. Go ahead and click the red Submit button at the bottom of your screen to review your search. On the image search results page, the types of filters under the Refine Results sidebar are different than the previous demonstrations, since they apply more specifically to image results. If you're only interested in paintings by Frida Kahlo, under Classification, select the Painting option. Now our search results only include paintings by Frida Kahlo. Let's click on Viva la Vida watermelons to see that image. The layout on this page is very similar to what we've previously seen. However, you'll notice the items drop-down menu is more extensive, since different information is needed when citing images. Additionally, the toolbar above your image allows you to zoom in and out, fit to width, compare, and view in full screen mode. In compare mode, you can compare up to 4 images at a time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you now feel confident using our JSTOR database. And remember, if you have any questions, look for the Ask a Librarian link or the Ask Us Chat button on the library's main page to contact a librarian for assistance.